Hi, my name is Pella, and today I'm going to start a new series called Campfire Cooking. For this campfire cooking, I'm going to be showing you how to make garlic Parmesan steak skewers. For the marinade, add 1/3 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of olive oil. Then you add 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 3 tablespoons of dried basil, 1 1/2 tablespoons of dried parsley flakes, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And for a little kick, add some crushed red pepper. Now mix the ingredients together until combined. Now add the steak cubes into the marinade. And stir them to cook them. Now let them chill for 1 hour. Now add 3 pieces of meat cubes onto a skewer. And place it onto a tray. First, spray the tray with coconut oil and add the steak skewers. After 5 minutes, place the skewers over. And baste the remaining marinade. Remove the steak skewers out of the grill and place them onto a tray. Now spread some garlic Parmesan sauce on top of the steak skewers. Now serve the steak skewers onto a plate and serve them with some red roasted potatoes and some asparagus. Now here is the final presentation of the garlic Parmesan steak skewers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.